Multifunctional chopping board with container, your kitchen must-have for a smooth cooking experience. The MightyNeat Bamboo Cutting Board is an excellent addition to your kitchen, transforming your cooking into a more efficient and pleasant experience. Made with all-natural bamboo, with better durability and superior properties than regular wood, with a complete set of accessories including 4 stainless graters, 4 containers with bamboo lids, and a bamboo spoon. The board has an integrated anti-slip bottom, indented handle, round edges, and mess-free experience juice groove. This all-in-one cutting board is incredibly practical, being ideal for professionals, cooking enthusiasts, and beginners. Still not convinced? We are excited to introduce an extra feature bamboo lid to cover the drop zone area to extend your chopping and presentation surface. Plus, an amazing dishwasher safe mats with icon for convenient meal preparation. Either it is for meat, fish, fruit, or vegetable. You'll fall in love instantly with this premium cutting board container. Don't wait. The great kitchen moment